Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. I will be using the In This Moment bundle by KimB, and I am working here on a spread from our trip to San Miguel de Allende in Mexico back in October. It's fun to look back at these photos because we actually, since that time, have come back again, and so I'm actually recording this here in Mexico, so that's pretty fun. It's a really beautiful town if you ever get the chance to visit. And they have a famous church here that is kind of pink, and it perfectly matches with the papers in this kit. So I'm just going to go ahead here and fill in all the blank pockets with some papers, and then I will start adding in the elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.